Hey there, Chad Seneschal with Weeldi. Today I wanted to discuss with you how to check the input values that you've captured during a recording for an automation and to be able to change those names if necessary. So in front of us, I've built an automation all the way to the end. This was a payment automation. So I used the test credit card number. I inserted my point of no return and then I hit submit. Now I got an error that the credit card had a problem and that's because it was a test credit card. And that's how we want to build our payment automations. You can watch videos on that if you need the additional information. But now that I'm done with everything, what I want to do is come here to the bottom and click these scissors, so review and edit, and that will end the automation, at least for now. I can always go back and add additional as well, and there's videos on how to do that. But what I want to do in this circumstance is I want to come over here to the left-hand side and look at input values. And when I click on input values, it's going to bring up for me all the input values that were recorded by the automation during this process. And most of them, I would say, are pretty useful names: username, password, login. But some of them you'll see it grabs information from the website that just doesn't make sense. So if it were to later ask you for input value -15 NLO, you wouldn't know what that means. So what we'll do is go over here and click edit. We'll retype this to credit card type, and then we'll save with check mark. Now, when I am using the user interface or uploading a bulk sheet, it says credit card type. I'll know what that means and be able to put in the proper information. The only thing that I would caution you further about the input values is that if you're using a vault to pull information automatically, then the input values here need to match what's in the vault. So something like username, password, that might come from the vault. Something like what class you're doing or what device you're ordering or something like that might not come from the vault. So if this information coming from the vault, make sure that your input value here matches what comes from the vault. All right, hope that helps and happy automating.